We began this journey in Delhi, reaching to over 250 schools. Today we have crossed 1,000 schools across India, and we are just getting started. Our vision for this year is to reach and empower 20,000 educators like you across the country.
दूसरा आगे बढ़े तो साथ में मैं भी आगे बढ़ता हूँ, ये हमारी जीवन पद्धति में शामिल है। सैमसंग आज जो कर रहा है ये उसी जीवन पद्धति का हिस्सा है। आप 100 बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा फायदा एक टीचर को पढ़ाने से होता है। एक टीचर को ज्ञान देने का मतलब ये है कि आप पूरे समाज को अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
In this journey, initiatives like Galaxy Empowered point in the right direction by training teachers, building confidence, and fostering peer learning networks. This initiative bridges the last mile between policy and practice.
Since Samsung has realized the importance and now they are going in a big way, we can collaborate how best we can train our teachers and empower them, improve their competencies and improve their teaching skills and making classrooms very lively and not boring.